step-by-step installation and configuration guide of Tenda TE6L Pro Wi-Fi 7 router. First, let's see the details on the box. Wi-Fi 7 BE5100, dual-band router with advanced features. On the side, you can find Tenda app QR code to download from App Store or Play Store. On the back side, you can see the detailed layout of the product is mentioned with port description and additional features. Let's do the unboxing. Inside you will find the device, quick installation guide, NFC sticker, Ethernet cable, power adapter, Let's connect the power and Ethernet internet connection to turn on the router. Now open the Tenda app to configure the router. Go to mobile Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi router. Back to Tenda app, and the router will appear here. Click on Configure to continue. In Wi-Fi settings, set Wi-Fi name and password. Once it is set, you will see Configuration Completed screen. Join the new created Wi-Fi network. Once Wi-Fi is connected, go the router setting and select NFC sticker. Writing, tap the phone on the NFC sticker to bind. Once the binding is completed, go to Wi-Fi setting of other mobile phones and tap the same NFC to connect without password. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.